Hey guys, Manuel here with the Toyota Tundra 06 overdrive switch. We're going to replace it real quick. I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing, you need a screwdriver to take these little screws off. You're going to take this one from here, this other one from here, and there's another one right here on the bottom part of the wheel, the steering wheel. So once you take these screws, you're gonna pull the bottom part in place. That's it. That's the upper part. You're gonna pull it just to here. Right. A little bit, and then you're gonna need the T27. You can use a screwdriver with the T27 tip or anything with it. As long as you have a T27, you'll be alright. It's a little bit hard to take it off, but just keep trying it, it'll come out. This one I already took it off. It's pretty easy. So once it's off, then just pull it out. And this little spring in here, so if it doesn't come like this, all you have to do is pull it. Just pull it this way. Come on. And then here you gotta do is just push this little button right here. Now it's off. I was looking for online to on eBay and everywhere. I couldn't find it. But I found it on Google, and it's $55.25. Alright, so it is. Then you have to pull it from this plug. And right here. So I'm gonna put it back, but I'm just gonna unplug it to stop having the problem. The overdrive on and off by itself. I don't like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back together without hooking it up, right? So I don't know if you guys wanted to see how I put it back together, right? But I'm just gonna keep on. I wanna order it anyway, but I'm just gonna have like that for right now. Alright, so I just put it back in the plastic, and I have to put this screw back together. Right. I'm just gonna turn it off. I got this little wrench. It works pretty good. It's 1/4 inch. But I don't have this screwdriver with that T27 star tip. But it works good. It's kind of slow, but I used to have one with the wrench. But I don't know, it just magically disappeared. That means someone took it. Alright, it's tight, I think. It's back in place. think it's harder to put back than taking it off. But it will go. Just have to fight with it a little bit. So I'm not gonna hook it up. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Right. This other. That's it. I just have to screw it back. Now I hope this video help you to fix your problem. Because if you take it to a mechanic, I guarantee you they're gonna charge you a lot. So, all right, guys.